Alright guys, it is me, your boy Raymond guys. I'm just coming to you straight from downtown Dar es Salaam guys. For those people who they don't know where Dar es Salaam is, Dar es Salaam it is in East Africa guys. It is one of the largest city located in Tanzania. Tanzania, as you know, guys, it is a land of from Mountain Kilimanjaro and Serengeti. So today, we're going to center and see the 5 side hustle that can make you $500 this week. Um, I would just start with a question, guys. Do you really need extra cash faster? In this video, I will show you 5 simple side hustle that can help you to make $500 or more this week. No fancy skills or huge investment needed. um let's go dive and see it. But before we get to dive into, let me first introduce myself guys. For those people who they don't know me, I go by the name of Raymond. I'm a father, I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm just working full-time online guys. Okay, let's go dive into guys. And started seeing our number one side hustle idea guys. You can just offer freelancing service guys. uh do you got skill like writing, designing, or even editing video guys? If you do, you can help people online and get paid for it guys. Simply you can just using website like Fiverr or Upwork to find quick gigs, right? And offer your expertise to people, and then at the end of the day these people they will paying you, right? You can give them such a thing like a simple ads like you manage it to design a simple logo, and simply when they just see that you manage it to design simple logo kind of thing, you can just give them price tag that you just offer such a service from, let's say, range $50 to $100 per project. So here it is depending on how many projects you would you be able to get it. Let's say you charge for $100 per project guy. It is simple that you can just getting, let's say, kind of like a 5 people, and when you add up $100 times 5 people, that could be 500 data a week guys. That is a simple how you can be able to do if you just decided to offer freelancing service into website like a Fiverr or Upwork guys. I know a lot of people out there, they kind of like have such a skills, and they kind of like don't know what to do. So once you just see this video guys, at least you'll get a simple idea where to start, and for you to being able to make money guys. And then that was our number one side hustle idea guys, that can help you to make $500 a week guys. So let's go and dive to see our side hustle number two guys. Side hustle number two guys, it is simply You can be able to make money online, guys, if you decided to flip stuff for profit. How would you be able to do that? You can sell things you do not need at home, or you can just simply go and buy cheap items from thrift stores and sell them online, guys. You can simply just decide to flip stuff for profit. You can sell things like um, stuff that you don't need at home, or you can just buy cheap item from the thrift store and then resell them online. Simply what you just need to do once you have your product, you can simply just go to Facebook Marketplace or eBay and post. uh, or you can just, for example, find an oldie lamp for $10 and clean it up and sell it for $50, guys. That is simply how you can be able to flip a product and being able to sell it to the marketplace. And then when we go just see our side hustle number 3, guys, you can deliver food or drive people around. Here you can use app like DoorDash or Uber Eats to deliver food, or you can just use Uber to drive people around, guys. uh, and this you can be able to do during the busy hour. What is our busy hour, guys? Like a lunchtime or dinner time. So go and make more money, guys, during this time. And you can make around $100 a day just by doing 3 to 4 hour, just by either deliver stuff or driving people around, guys. That is side hustle number 3, guys. Let's go check side hustle number 4. In side hustle number 4, guys, here you could be able to make money by managing social media for small business owner, guys. Many small business owner, they do not know how to handle their Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok account. So here you can offer to help for money, guys. And you can tell them, you can post for them, reply comments, and even grow their pages. So here you can charge them like $100 to $200 a week for particular service of just engaging into their social media account, guys. That is we have seen side hustle number 4, guys. So let's go check it out and finalize side hustle number 5. Inside of hustle number 5, here, guys, if you do have a certain skill set, you can just exchange your knowledge for money. And here is what are you gonna do, guys. You can just decide to teach or give tutor online, guys. If you are good, let's say in English, math, or even playing a music instrument, you can just decide to teach it online, guys. And use it like a website like VIP Kid or Cambridge to find a student. You can make it from $20 to $40 an hour, just to 10 to 15 hours. Just by teaching, this could earn you $500 a week, guys. That is how simply, guys, you can just be able to make $500 a week online just by simply uh, do side hustle business, guys. So with this side hustle business, guys, you can be able to do and make all that money, guys. If you're kind of like or you were kind of like looking for job or something to do, just pay attention onto this list that I just mentioned to you via this video, guys. Let's recap it and see it, guys. Side hustle number one, you can offer service, uh, or you can offer such a thing like a freelancing service, guys. Here you could be able to do such a thing like writing for other people, or designing for other people, or even editing video, guys, for other people, and you can exchange this service for money, guys. Side hustle number two, we have seen you can flip stuff for profit. You can find that there is a lot of people, they do have a lot of pair of shoes in their home. They don't even use it, or they kind of like fashion. So instead of you continue having it on your home, you can just decide to flip it for profit. Because if you just say that you don't use this certain pair of shoes, whether old school kind of thing, but other people, they are kind of like need it, so and they will be willing to pay you money in order for them to use it, guys. So you can flip stuff that you don't need for money, guys. This is simply like you can, let's say, as well go and purchase cheapest items, let's say for $10 or $20, and go it and resell it for $50 or $200, guys. That is a simple how you flipping is, guys. As well, you can just do such a thing like let's say in this side hustle number three, we have just said that you can deliver food or driving people around, and you can use app like DoorDash or Uber Eat, or even Uber Drive to drive people around, and as well you can be able to make money out of it, guys. And this you can focus on the busy time, like lunch time and during dinner time, guys. As well, you can be able to make $500 a week, guys. Inside the hustle number four, we have just seen that an individual can be able to manage other people's social media, guys. uh, how you would you be able to do it? There is a lot of people out there, they kind of like running small business, and they are small business owner, but they have no clue when it takes for them to manage their social media, like Instagram, like a Facebook, like a TikTok. So you can become their social media manager, guys, so that you can manage those social media for them, and at the end of the day they will pay you just to reply, comment, grow their page, even post it for them, guys. That is what we have seen in side hustle number four, guys. In side hustle number five, we just seen that if you do have a certain skill set, like ability to teaching people certain specialized knowledge, like playing an music instrument, or teaching people subject like math or English, then you can charge these people to pay, let's say, $20 to $40, an hour. And you can use an app like a VIP kid for you to being able to find student, or using an app like Cambridge, so that you can be able to find students from this app, guys. So here you can work 10 to 15 hour a week by teaching this student, and at the end of the day you will be able to make $500 a week, guys. That is simply what we have seen, guys, into our today topic or video, guys. So if you kind of like find value watching this video, you can like as well as subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so whenever that I'm uploading new video, guys, then YouTube will notify you, so you'll be the first guy to be notified by YouTube, and being able to watching a new video that will just upload it in the near future, guys. So thank you for watching. I request for your favor, share this video, because we just want a lot of people to be able watching this information, guys. Thank you, and be blessed, guys. Thank you.